Search for Task Manager. Open up the Task Manager. Scroll down and check Roblox is running in background or not. If it's running in background, you need to end the task. Once complete after, search for Run. Type the following text: percentage local app data percentage Roblox. Click enter. Here first you need to click local storage folder. Delete the files inside the folder. Come back. Second, click log folder. Delete the file inside the log folder. Third, temp capture storage is there. Click it and delete it. Inside any files and folder available means delete it. Once complete after, come back. Make sure these 3 folders. After that, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall in the left hand side and click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Roblox and Roblox Client. Make sure it should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not, means you need to enable. If Roblox and Roblox Game Client is not available, means no problem. Click Allow another app and you need to browse it. Once browse after, you need to add it. For easy way, you need to click Open File Location, copy the address on the top hand side. Browse it and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Scroll down and you can add it. So this is how to add in Windows Defender Firewall. This is the easiest way. Once complete after, close it. Next, you need to go to Settings. Click Network and Internet Settings. Click Network, Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset and reset your network. It will reinstall all your network adapters. Thank you.